Thales is a very large company. We work for various industries: aerospace, space, defense, and security.
Our operation is based on GitLab. It's a cornerstone of our operations and our aircraft configuration. GitLab has allowed us to provide a first-of-its-kind product to our clients and customers.
So security for us is absolutely key. Of course, cybersecurity is essential because there are big risks on those mission-critical systems. And safety means, of course, also our software.
Our competitors were building faster, so we had to change the approach we had.
We wanted to deliver services at a very fast pace. To do that, there is only one way to go.
What we liked with GitLab is the ability to be able to streamline our development process. We had several tools to do different tasks on the whole development lifecycle. And with GitLab as a single DevSecOps platform, we are able now to benefit of all the different features there.
So in-flight entertainment overall was doing incremental innovation, but not breakthrough innovation.
The airlines want a system, they want one solution that they can deploy everywhere. The passengers, they expect to have the latest content available as soon as the movies are released.
So FlightEdge is an in-flight entertainment product and is breaking innovation by allowing airlines to push software on board, allowing you to stream with your favorite streaming app, gaming providers to push games on board to tailor your flight to your needs. We're actually working from France, USA, India, Singapore.
Now we have a mutualized platform that is available for the whole group, for the whole world, so people can really work together.
So we chose GitLab because we were able to use a common language for CI/CD. It was very simple, we tested it out, and we were confident right away that we could build the DevOps structure that we wanted. GitLab allowed us to bring software updates 20 times faster than before.
With GitLab, we were able to reduce the build infrastructure cost up to 90%.
GitLab has been very helpful, listening to us carefully. We have around now 6,000 engineers working on this GitLab environment. So I believe it's a great achievement, and that's the result of indeed taking into account our specificities in our environment.
Thanks to GitLab, we were able to build much faster than before, and we were able to beat our competitors thanks to this environment.